Hey guys, for today's recipe, I'll be making a Christmas baked ham. This recipe is really basic. I just wanted to come out here and show you guys how it's done. If you would like to see it, keep on watching. Also, do not forget to subscribe to Island Vibe Cooking before you leave the channel. Without further ado, let's get started. To get started, let's bake our ham. I have a 6-pound ham here that I am going to bake for 1 hour and 30 minutes, 15 minutes per pound. Like I said, this is a 6-pound ham, okay? Now I am going to place it in the oven for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll be making our brown sugar glaze. I have 1 stick of unsalted butter here. Once that is melted, I am going in with half a cup of brown sugar. Yes, dark brown sugar, by the way. Then I'll be adding some cloves, cinnamon, nutmeg. Now I am going to add 4 tablespoons of honey in there as well. Now we're going to give that a mix and let it simmer on medium-low for 8 to 10 minutes until the glaze is nice and syrupy. Now is the perfect time to remove your glaze from the heat and place it on the side. Now the ham is nice and halfly cooked. Well, not all the way cooked. About 1 hour later, I remove it from the oven so I can pour half of the glaze on there just like that. Just place it on there and brush the glaze all over the ham just like so. Now I'm going to place it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Once it is done, this is what it looks like. Now I did add a little bit of orange juice in my brown sugar glaze just because I usually make them with the orange juice, but this time I forgot to add it in while I was making the glaze. Now I pop it in the oven for about 5 more minutes. Once it is out, guys, this is what it looks like, okay? You have yourself the most awesome, the most delicious, juicy baked ham ever. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to let me know down below and also give the video a thumbs up. Let me know what you're making for Christmas. I would love to know. Hopefully I can make one of your dish, one of your meal. Thank you for watching. Like the video, comment, subscribe before you leave, and turn on your post notification bell, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Yum.